Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to transfer your Apple Pay cash to your bank. Okay, so first of all we need to open our settings. Okay, and after we open our settings, we're gonna scroll a little bit down until we find wallet and Apple Pay. So we're gonna just click, and here you will see the Apple Cash, the section, right? So we're gonna just click on it. Now, as you can see right here, this is my Apple Cash, balance. So I'm gonna just transfer, and I'm gonna select the amount of money that I want to transfer. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna transfer, let's say 600. Okay, I'm gonna hit next. And here you have two options: instant transfer or 1 to 3 business days. If you are using the instant transfer, you will pay $6 fee, but if you want to transfer for free, you're gonna add the bank account. So we're gonna add the routing number and the account number in this section, and after we add it, our bank account, you will select, or it will select automatically the free section. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.